Hello dear viewer, I am engineer Muhammad Rezaul Haq. Welcome to my automation tools YouTube channel. Today I will show how can we upload, download, monitor and diagnostic a program of S7-300 PLC. So let's start. First we open Simatic Manager software. First we have to make a new project. Here we put the name of this project, that name we want to upload a program. We make this name as a upload project, then press the browse option where we want to save this uploaded program. So we press browse and select the desired location where we want to save the project, then we press OK. After selection, press OK, then our new project will be created. Now we want to upload, then go to PLC option, then upload station to PG, select the upload station to PG. After that we view, press the view button. When you press the view button, the connected CPU will be show is here. Then we select the CPU and press OK. Now you see that our program is uploading from the CPU. You see all function block, all observation block, all OB block are uploading. Our uploading is progressing. You can see upload is completed. Now we want to show you that upload is a upload all project programs or not. You see, we go to the block. You see that the block that are used in this project all are is in here. Now we monitor the project that it is a upload successfully or not. Go to the monitor mode, click the monitor mode, then we that when we press the monitor mode, here is showing the program is running and also showing the status of this monitor. Now I will show you how can we download a project. First we select the program, then go to the PLC mode, select the download option, then you see show the desired CPU, that where we want to download, select the CPU and press OK. You see program is downloading. Here is showing an warning that this block is already exists. We want to overwrite or it. We overwrite, place overwrite, and they see all the block are is downloading to the our desired CPU. Program is downloading. You see downloading is progressing. Program download is completed. Now here is showing a warning. We want to go to this CPU in run mode, press yes, then our CPU will go to the run mode. Now I will show the status of this project and diagnostic of our CPU. Our CPU is healthy or not. Now we go to the hardware mode. You see, then go to the online mode, that the online data will be retrieved from the connected CPU. You see our data is retrieving from the connected CPU. That means our hardware are going to the online mode. Here now I show you the status of this input output or CPU. You see here is showing that all the CPU has an error. You see what is the error of this CPU, that here is showing the error is LED system fault, error LED bus fault. Here you see the what's the error. When you go to the diagnostic buffer mode, then you can see the alarm of the CPU, what the problems of your CPU. You see here showing the many alarms. That means I have connect this CPU in my laboratory. Here the program have the IO card, input output card, CPU, CP card, that RTD card, digital input output card, analog input output card. Here I only connect with only CPU, that I don't connect the analog card, digital input output card. That means I am not connected with the CPU. For that it is showing that is cross mark, that you see there the module configure but not available. It is showing that my IO card not connected with the CPU. For that is showing this error. But if you connected all the IO card with the CPU, then that error will not become, because when when a CPU is connected with the system, that means when it is running on the machine, then all the input output card are connected, and that times the all will be showing okay, module okay, module available and showing okay. Here is no input output card, the CP card. For that it is showing module configure but not available. I show you how can we upload, download, monitor or diagnostic a program or S7-300 PLC. Here I also showing the status, that the monitor of the program. At last I will tell you that if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my upcoming video. If you already subscribe, thank you. Also like, comments and share my video. Many thanks for watching my video.